You have chosen the book of courage, kindness, and bravery. If you wish to earn your voice back and return home, you must find these elements within yourself.
Huh. Weird. Oh dang, I really gotta get going. These slobs. Sure, why not just leave my trash on the ground?
Kindness.
What is this? What is it my mom always said? Flip the right book off the shelf, fly into a game, and find yourself, huh? But how do I get out of this?
Bravery.
Oh, wait, I'm almost done. But what's courageous?
Courage. Found the pieces to be yourself. Return to where your adventure began to complete the story.
Where it all began? Oh gee, yeah, back at the bookshelves.
You have earned your voice.
Wait, that voice, it's louder? This is my story. Today, I decide all I do is win.
Huh. That was weird.